and here he is. If everything is okay, the judges will surely give an order to get ready in just a second. 1000 meters, so a distance a little bit longer, but still the start is very important, and here we see it. And it looks like it is Timon Maurer from Austria that is the fastest of the gates. Maybe together with Tashi Tanada from Japan. Do you see those red marks? It means that the 50 meters are already past them. And from 50 to 100 meters is a usual time where the first burst of the energy ends and the competitors are turning to the long run. Of course, everyone has a slightly different strategy for this race. Some of them would rather like to get that first position sooner and then keep it for themselves. Others would rather chase their opponents. Timon Maurer together with Martin Nathel on the first and second position. They have already run away from their opponents quite a bit. That is maybe a little bit less than 10 seconds of an advantage for them. And Martin Nathel seems to be widening that gap even more. So first and second place we already have almost settled. Let's cross our fingers that everything will go well for Martin Nathel and Timon Maurer. But who is going to be third, as that third place is also very important, because this is the prize that gets you promotion to Final A. Just Zakrajsek from Slovenia has quite a good fighting chance here at getting that third place. Nathel, Maurer and Zakrajsek. Nathel for sure feeling confident about this race because he is the first one to cross 200 meters line. And after him, Maurer also not threatened too much. But Zakrajsek has to guard himself. He is ahead of his opponents, but just slightly, no more than both length ahead. And even less so now when Albert Flyer from Netherlands is trying to make a move on him. And he might just be able to overtake Zakrajsek. Flyer from Netherlands on the fourth position right now, but he's speeding up, he's picking up the pace, but sadly for him he didn't manage. Zakrajsek got his third place. He waited up to the last possible moment and then sped up just enough to slip ahead of Flyer from Netherlands. Martin Nathel from Sweden, Timon Maurer from Austria and Jos Zakrajsek from Slovenia.